This is the Hello Kitty cruise ship, and the way to get to the this is supposed to be removable. Yeah, and these can be removed if you want to get to the main intersection, so you can play with the main areas. So we have the bathroom here where my hand is. Bedroom, living room, back table where they eat. Hello Kitty's place where she activates the ship, and this is able to turn around all the way kind of freely. Downstairs we have the business area, and this is a table that this one by zero 2x2 computer could fit in. And this isn't a printed piece. This is a sticker, and you see these. It just has 2 clips, and it's so simple to close it back up. Like done. I gotta put that back in. We have our roof pool, which we have a removable slide if you want to wrap the pool up. And we have a removable banana, removable pineapple, removable sailboat. And here we have the gym, which has it. Let me get these out so I can give them a closer look. There we go. So this is what they look like. I'm showing you one of them close up. 5 mil. This stud piece is for the cats to stand on. And I think that's so. I want to show you how easy this thing is to put back together. Lopsided. This is so easy to connect back because it has a little stud, and you pull to do. And I'll show you how easy it is to put it back together. Put these plates back on. Just have to put each corner on the studs. And that's how easy it is to put back together. Now let's talk about the minifigures. Tracy, her head can turn around all the way. And what she's holding here can come out of her hand. It's just a cup of lemonade because they're on a ship. Yeah. And now we have Fifi holding a banana. Again, her head can turn all the way around. And she has a tail back here that can flip around. Really, you gotta put some effort in there. Next we have Hello Kitty. This is just a little accessory that you can take out of her hand like Fifi. And again, her head can turn around all the way, and both hands for everyone can move. And here's our pineapple. That hole is for the cats to hold on to. We'll go back to building some more stuff, and I'll talk And I'll talk to you soon.